Hey, what's up? It's Victor and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'll be talking about my summer 2023 wish list and what pieces that I want to cop for this upcoming summer season. But before I do that, I just want to let you know that my clothing brand Artificial has recently released the most fire jacket in the world. This jacket right here is low-key the perfect jacket to wear when you want to start elevating your outfits and start dressing fire. So if you want to join the Artificial world and be a part of this community, then a link is down in the description below and you can follow along at Artificial World on IG. And without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. So the first piece on my summer 2023 wish list is the Vicinity flared carpenter cargo pants. I have been eyeing this piece for weeks now. These pants are so freaking fire. I really like the fit and the shape of the cargos. I like how at the bottom there's a zip to make it even more flared, and the metal badge in the front just makes the pants stand out like crazy. I also really like all of the metal buttons around the pants. It just makes the pants look even more unique. These pants would be fire to wear in the summer since you can't really layer that much, so wearing these pants would just make your outfit look way cooler. These pants go for $86, which is not bad for cargo pants that has this many details. One thing that I have to say is that I wish the shipping to the US was cheaper. The shipping is about $30, which is crazy, but if you live in Germany, it's free. The next piece on my summer 2023 wish list is the GmbH black ergonomic boots. These boots are so fire. I really like the silver metal accents all around the boots, especially the metal plate on the back. I also really like how the zipper moves across the boots. It just gives the shoe a more unique look. And of course, the heel looks like it's gonna give you a couple extra inches of height, which is awesome for me. I mean, the shoe just looks super unique, and I don't really have that standout piece in my boot collection yet. This is the perfect shoe to wear with some baggy pants on a night out. The original price of the boots is $610, but it's on sale right now on Essence for $360, which I think is a steal. So if you want some unique boots for this summer season, then go check them out. The next piece on my summer 2023 wish list is the RHUDE Essence exclusive black t-shirt. So as of this moment, I don't own any tees for the summer. Like, my t-shirt collection is non-existent. So this summer, I'm trying to find some pieces to add to my collection, and this one is definitely on my radar. I really like the Jaguar design on top of the RHUDE graphic. I also really like RHUDE as a brand. I'm a really big fan of the owner, RHUDE, and I'm really inspired by his story and his come up. I think this shirt would be fire with some black cargos and my Bottega Veneta puddle boots. The original price for the shirt is $220, but on Essence, it's on sale for $154, which is typical for a brand like this. And yeah, the shirt is super fire. The next item on my 2023 summer wish list is the Gentle Monster REAT01 sunglasses. Now, I've been really getting into Gentle Monster recently. If you don't know the brand or haven't heard of them yet, they are a Korean sunglasses brand that makes statement eyewear pieces that goes against traditional norms. I really like how unique all of the eyewear pieces are and how it's made for people with low nose bridges like myself. If you know me, then you'll know that I love wearing black, and that preference also applies to my sunglasses. I don't currently own any wraparound sunglasses, so this is a must-have for my collection. I really like the bulkiness of it and a cool star design on the sides. I also just want to own a pair of Gentle Monster frames. I think the brand is really cool and would love to rock them. These sunglasses run for $307 on their website. The next piece on my 2023 wish list is the Brain Dead Black Star Walker jacket. I've been really into Brain Dead. I love all of their pieces that they make, and this one is no exception. I've been really into workwear jackets at the moment, and this piece looks so fire. The graphics just make the entire jacket stand out on its own. I really like the fit of the jacket since it fits like a normal workwear jacket. This jacket is perfect for that chilly summer day when you just want to throw on a simple light jacket that can stand out on its own without you having to layer too much. The original price for this jacket is $220, but on Essence, it's on sale for $134. They don't have this in my size at the moment, but when they do, I'm for sure gonna cop it. The next item on my 2023 summer wish list is the Initio Parfums Privé Oud for Greatness cologne. So again, if you watch me or watch my fragrance video, you would know that I love fragrances and I own like 20 different bottles. A couple months ago, I went to Neiman Marcus to try out some fragrances and I stumbled upon this one. And oh my gosh, the fragrance is amazing. Ever since then, I've been eyeing this bottle and waiting for the perfect moment to buy it. It has a warm, spicy, and earthy smell to it that's perfect for any season. The price for this bottle is $410, which is why I haven't bought it yet. But I made a promise to myself that I'm gonna get it by the end of the summer. So if you wanna check this fragrance out, I suggest you go to Neiman Marcus and smell it for yourself. Trust me, it's gonna blow you away. The next piece on my 2023 summer wish list is the Yumi Yumi black camp boots. Now, this is a crazy one. These shoes kind of remind me of Suiko. You can definitely tell that there are some Japanese inspiration going on here. I just think these shoes are so fire. It's kind of like that piece that gets people talking, you know? I really like how thick the sole is and how the shoe kind of fits like a sock. I will style these with some baggy pants so it covers the top of the shoe, which will make it look more normal. But when you sit down, down, the top will start to show and people will start asking about it. So if you want a good conversation starter, then here you go. This shoe is going for $183, which is not bad at all. The next piece on my summer 2023 wish list is the no maintenance red steel shag cardigan. Now, if you're a big fashion consumer, then you would have probably seen this cardigan on Instagram. I remember seeing this piece a couple months ago and I wanted to cop it so bad. This cardigan is probably the most fire cardigan that I've ever seen in my life. I really like how bright the colors are and how relaxed the fit is. I also really like the blue accents on the cardigan. It just gives the cardigan a very unique and distinctive look. This is like the perfect piece to throw on when you want to wear something fire but still feel comfortable. This cardigan is going for $268 on a no maintenance website. Comment down below which item in this video is your favorite and would you cop any of these. All the items will be linked down in the description below. So if you want to check them out, then there you go. Other than that, enjoy the rest of your day, keep dressing nice, and I'll see you next time. Peace.